Starting your day with the right cereal can boost your energy, keep you full, and support your overall health. Here are 3 quick and healthy cereal breakfast ideas that are delicious, nutrient-packed, and easy to make. Let's get straight into it. Healthy cereal idea number 1, Nutty Oat Crunch, a fiber-rich, heart-healthy option that keeps you full. Ingredients: half cup rolled oats, great for digestion and energy, 1 tablespoon almonds and walnuts, loaded with healthy fats, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, rich in omega-3s, half banana for natural sweetness, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, a dash of cinnamon. How to make it: 1. Add oats, nuts, and chia seeds to a bowl. 2. Pour in almond milk and mix well. 3. Top with banana slices and cinnamon. Why it's great: oats provide long-lasting energy, nuts add crunch and protein, and cinnamon helps balance blood sugar. Healthy cereal idea number 2, protein-packed crunch bowl. For a high-protein, muscle-fueling breakfast, ingredients: half cup quinoa puffs or whole grain flakes, light but packed with nutrients, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, protein boost, 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt for probiotics and creaminess, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, healthy fats and protein, 1/2 cup mixed berries, antioxidants and natural sweetness, 1 cup oat milk. How to make it: 1. Add quinoa puffs or whole grain flakes to a bowl. 2. Stir in Greek yogurt and peanut butter. 3. Top with mixed berries and pour in oat milk. Why it's great: high in protein, rich in fiber, and supports gut health with probiotics. Before we continue, hit the like button and subscribe for more health wellness vids. And also, before I forget, where are you watching from? Comment below. Healthy cereal idea number 3, Tropical Fruit Granola Bowl. A naturally sweet and refreshing breakfast. Ingredients: half cup homemade or low-sugar granola, crunchy and fiber-rich, 1 tablespoon shredded coconut for flavor and healthy fats, half cup diced mango and pineapple, rich in vitamins and natural sweetness, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, great for digestion, 1 cup coconut milk. How to make it: 1. Add granola, shredded coconut, and flax seeds to a bowl. 2. Toss in fresh mango and pineapple. 3. Pour in coconut milk and mix gently. Why it's great: packed with antioxidants, fiber, and tropical flavor without added sugars. These cereal breakfasts are quick, nutritious, and delicious. Try them out and see which one becomes your favorite. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more healthy meal ideas, and comment below. What's your go-to breakfast?